I am Dr. Deepak Chaudhary, Senior Director and Head, Department of Arthroscopy and Sports Medicine here at BLK Hospital, Pusa Road. At our center, we are basically dealing with knee and shoulder ligament injuries, which we manage by minimally invasive method of arthroscopic surgery. One of the commonest indication for which arthroscopy is done is the ligament tears of the knee joint, and one of the commonest ligament which is injured is the anterior cruciate ligament. Now this anterior cruciate ligament in the knee stabilizes the two bones of the leg, of the thigh and the leg, and when this is commonly injured, especially in sportsmen like wrestlers, footballers, cricketers, and then this leads to an unstable knee and which results in further damage to the meniscus and the cartilage. Usually these injuries are prevalent in the younger age group, that is after 15 years of age. But recently we encountered a patient in which we had to perform this surgery in a very young child of 5 years old who sustained this injury to the ligament while coming down from the stairs where he slipped.
सामने देखो, सामने, हाँ, पीछे जाओ, पैर बिल्कुल सीधी रखो.
Ronit, a 5-year-old boy, came to us with an ACL injury, which is very rare for this age due to fall from stairs. We arthroscopically reconstructed and operated this patient for the ACL injury and reconstructed his ligament.
It was a big challenge for doing the surgery in such a young patient because these patients have their growth plate intact, and while we are making tunnels for the ligament reconstruction, the tunnels can traverse these growth plate and cause growth retardation or unequal growth. So it was a huge technical challenge.
Ronit is the first boy ever reported worldwide for the youngest child to be operated for anterior cruciate ligament.
In the whole world, the youngest child which has been reported is just 8 or 9 years. So this was one of the youngest child in the world in which we did this ACL very successfully about 3 months back.
Anterior cruciate ligament reconstruction is done arthroscopically. दूरबीन द्वारा की जाती है ये सर्जरी, जिसमें कोई नॉर्मल सर्जरी की तरह चीड़ा या ब्लड लॉस नहीं होता है. दूरबीन द्वारा किया जाता है, जिसमें ये लिगामेंट को नया दोबारा बना दिया जाता है, एंड पेशेंट इज बैक टू हिज स्पोर्ट्स, बैक टू विद डेली रूटीन इन अ वेरी फास्टर टाइम.
We were able to avoid the growth plate, which was the main danger, and now 3 months post surgery this patient is very active. He is running, jumping. He has resumed almost most of his activities, and we expect him to go back to sports at about 6 months time.
वापिस आ जाओ, सीधी सीधी बिल्कुल पैर, गुड.